Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, logged in, and with a properly sized image on your device. First, open the chat window for the character you want a message. Tap the message field to reveal the attachment icon. On desktop, click the paperclip or image icon. Once done, choose Upload or select Photo to browse files. Make sure to pick the correct file type and confirm the preview. This starts the upload and gives the AI context to reference the image. After selecting your image, wait for the progress indicator to finish. Do not send mid-upload. Next, type a concise prompt explaining what you want the character to do with the photo. Describe focus, tone, or question in one sentence. This gives the model actionable context and reduces irrelevant replies. If the app shows a preview, crop or rotate now to remove distractions. Once the image and prompt match your intent, you're ready to send it as a single combined message. Press send and observe whether the character acknowledges the photo. Look for descriptive replies referencing the image. If nothing appears or the upload errors, try again with a smaller file size or convert to PNG/JPEG, then re-upload. Make sure your connection is stable and clear app cache or relaunch if needed. If issues persist, capture the error message and submit feedback through the app including device model, OS, and file size.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.